Welcome back. In the previous video, we discussed the evolution of data science. Now, we will discuss analytics. Analytics is the discovery, interpretation, and communication of meaningful patterns in data. Most organizations treat analytics as a strategic asset, and analytics is central to many functional roles and skills. Whether it's determining credit risk, developing new medicines, finding more efficient ways to deliver products and services, preventing fraud, uncovering cyber threats, or retaining the most valuable customers, analytics can help you understand what drives your organization's success and how it matters to the world around it. Organizations may apply analytics to business data to describe, predict, and improve business performance. Predictive analytics encompasses a variety of statistical techniques from data mining, predictive modeling, and machine learning that analyze current and historical facts to make predictions about future or otherwise unknown events. A prediction or forecast is a statement about the future event. A prediction is often, but not always, based upon experience and knowledge. Forecasting is the process of making predictions of the future based on past and present data, and most commonly by analysis of trends. The data collected and analyzed can help facilitate improved decision-making. Based on analysis of company data, data scientists can suggest and specify certain actions that will help improve the company's performance, better engage customers, and ultimately increase revenue generation. The effectiveness of any system depends on the people actually using it. A staff who actually understands how to get the most out of company analytics can extract meaningful insights and take actions to address key business challenges. Analytics can help identify opportunities that might have otherwise gone unnoticed. Having hard data on hand can help question existing methods and make assumptions for the purpose of developing better processes. Decisions are taken on the basis of the analyzed data, and certain changes are implemented in the organization. It is very important to know how those decisions have affected the organization. Analytics can help us test if the decisions implemented have performed to the level of expectation. Most companies have at least one source of customer data that is stored. The customer information is very useful in identifying demographics and hence finding potential customers. Analytics can help identify key groups of customers with the help of collected data. This also helps organizations to personalize services and products for customer groups and increase the profit margins. With the amount of information available in hand through social media, corporate databases, and job search websites, we can work our way through all these data points to find the candidates who best fulfill the organization's needs. Before starting analysis, we must consider the 5 W's. What business problem do you think you're trying to solve? What types and sources of data are available to you? What types and sources of data are you allowed to use? What is the quality of your organization's data? And what tools are available to extract, clean, analyze, and present the data? This might seem obvious, but many people fail to ask this question before jumping to try and solve a problem. Identifying the root cause of the problem is essential to undertake a methodological approach to solve it. Most, if not all, organizations store a large amount of enterprise data. While looking at internal databases and data sources might make sense, you may not be able to access it easily thanks to the various permissions required. The general public has become hyper-aware about the privacy and security of their data. Furthermore, regulations like the GDPR prevent organizations from utilizing personal data as they would have been able to before. Therefore, it is important to identify the sources of data you are allowed to use beforehand. Common mistakes when using your organization's data include assuming the data is complete, accurate, and unique. Of course, while it is important to cleanse your data, you don't need pristine data just to get started. What tools are available for processing data? While Microsoft Excel might be the first software that pops in your mind, it does suffer from plenty of limitations. Ensuring the availability of the appropriate software to handle your data is critical.